A load of this gem right here. Look at that guy. That's me. Probably like 5 years ago or so. Severely hungover. This is probably like 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I was still sleeping. I spent so many days like this. And I just want to share this with you because if you are in this place right now, if you can relate to that, you don't have to stay that way. Like, there is hope. You can become the best version of yourself where you have energy. You're not feeling like crap. You don't regret every morning when you wake up or afternoon like this, what you said last night, the shame, that all this shit that comes with being a regular drinker is exactly where I was. And so if you're in that spot right now, you can change. You can become that person that you know you're meant for. You can live a wonderful life where you don't desire alcohol, you're committed to personal growth, you respect yourself, and you are happy, you're at peace, you're content. And if you're watching this, and there's even a slight part of you that says, I want that. I want to stop feeling like this and get my life back, then do something about it. Do something about it right now. Don't wait until Monday, don't wait until New Year's, don't wait until whenever. Make the decision right now in this moment. I'm going to become a non-drinker. I'm going to take charge of my life back. You will not regret it, I promise. This guy is definitely happy that I did something and stopped doing this shit.